Found CHA files in your IRC Client's data directory? These store channel settings for Internet Relay chat sessions. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain what these IRC channel configuration files contain and how to work with them. Heads up on the final step. We will reveal why investing in one exceptional CHA file inspection utility is the best long-term solution for managing countless file formats. CHA files are channel configuration files used by IRC Internet Relay chat clients. They store channel-specific settings including auto-join preferences, channel keys, topic history, user access lists, nickname color schemes, and notification preferences for individual IRC channels across different networks. IRC CHA channel files use a plain text or INI style format, storing channel name, server network channel, key password, auto-join flags, and user preference settings. The format varies between IRC clients, with some using XML-based structures for more complex configuration data, including per-channel script and event handlers. To gain full access to CHA, the application needed is mIRC from mIRC. The operating system is unable to apply the necessary display standards to this file. Windows shows the text but not the implications, so understanding changes is essential. Your key starting action: right-click the CHA file and select Open With. If mIRC is installed, use it. If not, choose another program. Continue testing until the CHA file opens successfully. If the CHA file is still refusing to open, it's expected. Since the initial attempt failed, the issue is now narrowed to 3 key areas. Here is a simple list of the most frequent errors and how you can verify each one immediately. First, viewing channel settings. Open the CHA file in a text editor such as Notepad++ to view the channel configuration data. The readable format shows channel names, servers keys, and preference settings. This is useful for reviewing auto-join channels, verifying channel keys, and understanding the IRC client's channel organization structure. Next, editing in IRC Client. Modify channel settings through your IRC client's channel management interface rather than editing CHA files directly. In mIRC, use the Favorites or Channels List dialog to configure auto-join server associations and channel-specific settings. The IRC client updates the CHA file automatically when you save configuration changes. Finally, managing multiple channels. Organize your IRC channel configurations by reviewing and cleaning up the CHA files. Remove entries for channels you no longer visit, and update channel keys that may have changed. Backup CHA files before reinstalling your IRC client to preserve your channel settings and auto-join configurations across installations. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Rather than guessing, you can try switching to a dedicated parsing engine that is built to identify file structures autonomously and may offer a better chance of opening stubborn formats. When our initial solutions didn't work, this means the file structure is unusually complex. Skip the frustration and move to File Magic, the universal viewer that consistently succeeds where basic apps stop. Check out FileMagic.com to download now. If you appreciate these expert walkthroughs, consider hitting the subscribe button to support the channel.